everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing. I have not opened it yet. I've had it for a few days now, but I've been working so much and busy with everything else, so we're going to be doing that today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not very heavy, not really, but anyway, what do I usually open with on these? Alright, so this is Hello Charmer. Now we open it up. This is what I see, which is the little insert. Well, this one's different. This actual opens up, and this tells you what all's in it, and then it has a thing about a Facetune. And then on the back, it's talking about introducing the bigger BoxyCharm Premium, which they're coming out with a beauty box worth over $175 for only $35 a month. So if any of y'all are interested in that, I will leave a link below for BoxyCharm, and y'all can look into that. So anyway, let's get started. First thing I pull out is a Steve Laurent highlighter, jelly highlighter. Nice. I'm gonna take that out because that was just for the highlighter. It's kind of weird, but whatever. I'm gonna open it up and we'll swatch it on our hand because of course I've already have my highlighter on for the day, so don't need any more on. Cotton Candy is the shade I got. Oh wow, it's very creamy. Very, very creamy. I guess it's what's called jelly. Well, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Really not, but it's really pretty. Really shiny. Swatch it on my wrist and see if I can see it better. Nope, my lights are too bright. Try to turn them down just a little bit. Y'all see that? No? I don't know. Anyway. Okay, so we got that. And then the next thing I pull out is Jonte Balloon. Come out. It's a lip liner in dark natural. Man, I don't know what's wrong with my voice today, y'all. Ooh, that's pretty. Y'all can see that or not? There we go. It's really pretty. Jonte Balloon. And then the next thing is Iconic London. It is the lip plumping gloss in the shade Love Struck. I'm just gonna put a little bit on top of my lipstick that I already have on. It's very minty. Very minty. And then the next thing I see, ooh, it looks like an eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors. Wow. And I got the Snow Angels. I'm guessing this would be blues. Is this blues? We think Snow Angels is blues. Oh, there's a blue in there, but it's not all blues. It looks like this. Very, very pretty. Ooh. Very, very pigmented. Very, very. I'm running out of fingers. Anyway, those are the shades that's in there. Very pigmented, very creamy, very nice. And it comes with a little brush too. Awesome. Oh, don't tell me you're already broke. It don't want to close all the way. Okay, whatever. So we got that, and we have one more thing in our box, which is Touch and Soul Glass Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Okay. Oh, this is pretty packaging though. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh, this light, y'all. It's glossy on the top. smells like all my other face creams, but anyway. Let's see. Very nice. Okay, so is this a nighttime cream or a daytime cream? I'll have to read on this and see. Dun, 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 dun. Don't say on there. As the last step of skincare routine, apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve dewy glowing skin. Applying 2 to 3 times allows for even longer lasting wear. So I guess this is a kind of a nighttime cream or after you do your face routine. That's pretty awesome. I don't have my phone in here to add it all up like I usually do, dropping everything. But I'll just tell you what each thing was worth. Eyeshadow palette was $32. The Glassy Skin Balm from Touch and Soul was $32. The Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss is $26. And then the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter is $26. And then the lip pencil was $5. So pretty, I mean, just based on that, I'm not great at math, so you'll have to forgive me for that. But just based on that, that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. I know this is a quick video, y'all. I just wanted to get it done because, I mean, I know I've been kind of focused on Halloween stuff, trying to get Halloween videos done. I have done 2 already. I've done the broken doll and I've done the unicorn, the colorful unicorn. I hope you guys have liked those. I don't know. I'm still deciding what to do next. I'm getting, if y'all hear something. Still deciding. I know of 4 videos I still want to do. So I just got to get a day off where I can do them. Friday, I'll probably do one Friday. This is, what is today? Wednesday. So in a couple days, I'm going to do another one. I hope y'all enjoy them. I really do. This is the first time I've actually gotten to do a lot of Halloween videos. And I hope to do more every year. And I hope to get better with every year. I'm still learning. I'm still trying stuff out. If y'all have anything y'all want to see, please leave it in the comments below. Or send it to my Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want to follow me. Send me something. Twitter, Snapchat, whatever. All that will be linked below. Along with the link to BoxyCharm. So if y'all want to sign up for BoxyCharm, it's definitely worth it. I love getting my BoxyCharm every month because it gives me more and more makeup to my collection, and it's worth the money because I only pay like $25 a month and get all this good stuff, the name brand amazing makeup. So I would recommend signing up. I'm not trying to push you to sign up because that's on your own discretion, I guess you would call it. But anyway, I went to the doctor yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, I had blood drawn yesterday. The day before I went to the doctor. Got my referral to see the surgeon, so hopefully I'll hear from them soon and probably be having surgery within the next few weeks. So I'll make sure and vlog and keep y'all updated and all that. So I will have another vlog coming soon. So y'all watch out for that. Please subscribe if you're not already. Please like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing if you have. And I'm going to do more videos soon. I'm going to do a Halloween video Friday. So I'll see you guys then. But until next time, see you guys later. Love you.